Today I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtones for your iPhone using any of your musics that you have. So as you know that buying ringtones these days can be pretty expensive from iTunes Store, and this piece of software will allow you to convert any songs that you have from your library to the iPhone compatible format. So here's how it works. First of all, select the add file and select the music files that you like to convert. From there, you can basically trim the songs to the length that you like and click on this button to play the trim section. So once you're happy with the length that you like to convert, just click generate, and as you can see here, this is just a trial version, so all you can do is convert up to 10 seconds of the file, but if you've got the full version, you can basically convert any length of the music that you have. So for this instance, I'll click order later, and yep, it's done. So next step is to open up your iTunes, and all you need to do is go to the ringtone section, select the file, drag it and drop it, and that's it. Just sync it with your iPhone. So if you're looking for a straightforward and easy to use iPhone ringtone maker, this is it. This is by far the best and easiest way to do so. So just head down to www.iphoneringtonemaker.com.au to grab this software. Thanks for watching.